Children, welcome in our third part of lesson first, and this is the third part is the C, Tarakib Jadida.
New compositions.
Tarakib means compositions, Jadida means new. Kavvan, Jamlan, Kama fil misal.
Compose sentences as in the example.
Kavvan means compose or complete. Jamlan means sentences. Kama as, fi in. Al misal, the example. Misal.
Example.
Khuz haza al qalama.
Take this pen.
So you know khuz means take or hold. Haza means this. Al qalama, this is the proper noun. That's why using al. But we are not saying haza qalama, because this is the qaf is the moon letter. So that's why we are using only the hazal qalama.
Take these two pen.
Khuz hazin al qalman means take these two pens. Qalmans, two pen. As you know already, then in Arabic there are the three forms. First, I or anta, you, two, nahnu, we means more than two. So then we use khuzain, where they are using because of the two. Khuzain, qalman. So take these two pen. Khuz hazihi al aqlam.
Take these pen.
See now here what they are saying, this is the two qalman, but here it is coming al aqlam means more than two. So khuz hazihi, so aqlam here also become, it is the feminine noun al aqlam. Understand? Hazihi al aqlam. So take these two pens means more than two pens. Okay. So now we are going to start our this exercise that as they give in the example. Here it is all, you saw the example. Now we are going. So they are giving here as you see in your book. So they are giving only the image. According to image you have to write. So khuz haza mujalla or khuz haza al mujalla. Both we can say. If you want to make the proper noun, so al mujalla. If you want to just simply want to say mujalla.
Take this magazine or journal.
Yes. So we will say take this magazines or journal. Okay. So be part of this. Khuz. Now we are looking two mujalla or magazines in the image. So what we will be? Mujallan or al mujallan. Khuz hazin mujallan or al mujallan.
Take these magazines.
So take these two magazines or take these magazines. Both we can say because they are two. So here khuz hazihi mujallat or al mujallat. So here are more than two. So that's why mujallat or al mujallat. If you want to make the proper noun, so it will become the al mujallat.
Take these magazines.
Take these magazines. So means there is more than two. Now it is the third. This is the image they are showing. What is this? This is a daftar. So khuz haza daftar or khuz haza ad daftar.
Take this notebook.
So daftar we says to the notebook. So khuz, you know, take or hold. So haza, this is the muzakkar, not the muannas, masculine noun, not the feminine noun. So these are the two daftar. So we will say khuz hazin daftarain or ad daftarain. See here what is this, dal is the sun letter. So that's why we are not pronouncing al. we are pronouncing ad-daftarain, dal having the shadda. That's why it is coming ad-daftarain.
Take these notebooks.
So take these 2 notebooks. We will say here they take these 2 notebooks. It will come because daftarain coming. Now these are more than 2. Khuz haza daftaran or ad-daftaran. So these are daftaran, ad-daftaran, same thing. This is the sun letter, that's why ad-daftaran.
Take these notebooks.
So here we are not pointing out the number. We are not saying take these 3 books. We are saying only take these notebooks. Here we were saying take these 2 notebooks. Because why we are? Because we are translating in Arabic from Arabic to English. That's why the number I am writing. Otherwise, because you are new in Arabic, so that's why if you will speak with some Arabic speaker, daftarain, so he will understand by himself that he means 2 notebooks. But only because of reminding you, I am telling that take these 2 notebooks. Okay, I am not saying here take these 3 notebooks. If you will talk with some Arabic whose mother tongue is Arabic, or he knows where he studied the Arabic, if you will say daftaran, so he will by himself he will understand he means or she means more than 2. So khuz haza al-kob.
Take this glass or cup.
So this is in the image only 1. So we will say take this glass or cup. Generally in Arabic we uses the kob to the cup, but for the glass also we use it. Khuz hazain al-kobain.
Take these glasses.
So now as same it is coming al-kobain. Kobain means 2 glasses or 2 cups. So instead of saying, you can say to learn more things, that take these 2 glasses. Khuz hazihi al-akwab.
Take these glasses.
So hazihi, because of the feminine noun, this is the feminine noun, that's why we are using al-akwab. So here it is not the sun letter, that's why we are using alif lam al-akwab. Alif is the moon letter, so that's why we are pronouncing it. Now the next exercise is coming. Hawwal kama fil misal. Complete or compose as in the misalain, as in the examples. So here see same thing is coming. Misalain means 2 examples. Okay. So misal number 1, what is? Sayazhabu ar-rajulu ila suq.
The man will go to the market.
So sa, whenever it is coming, before in previous chapters, last books means book number 3, book number 2 and book number 1 also I have tell when they will be the future tense. So in Arabic we will use the seen in the beginning of the this verb. Understand? Before the work, whenever is there. So sa yazhabu, he will go, the man will go to the market. Suq means market, ili means to, rajal, not the rajal. This is the singular form of rajul. So that's why it is coming rajul. Sa yazhab will go. Yurid al-rajul an yazhaba ili suq.
The man want to go to the market.
So yurid means he need or he want. Rajul, man. An, to. Yazhabu, yazhaba, will go or he wanted to go. Ili suq. Okay. Yazhaba ili suq, want or wanted. It can come wanted also, because this is the for the third form. So satazhabu al maratu ilil bayt.
The woman will go to the house.
Again it is coming sa. And the other thing, notable thing, that tazhabu, yazhabu. Because of the masculine noun, it is coming the yazhabu. For the feminine noun, it is coming the tazhabu. Ta means feminine noun, ya means masculine noun. Al-mara, marat means woman or female. Ili to baiti, her house. The woman will go to the house or to her house. We can say her house also, because they are using the baiti. Turidu al-maratu an tazhabu ilal baiti.
The woman wanted to go to the home.
So here also this turid, here is the yurid. Ya using for the men, for the rajul, and ta using for the mara, means woman. Tazhabu, see, it came yazhabu, it is here. Ya using, zahab means went, and tazhabu, tazhab, this is the for the female, ta. Ilil baiti, baiti means to her home. So the woman wanted to go to her home. Now the exercise, these were the examples or the misal. So exercise is coming 1, 2. Sayaqra'u at-talmizul kitaba.
The student will read the book.
See, sayaqra'u, sa for the W-I-L-L, will, means it will be the in the future. At-talmizu, al-kitab. So why? Ta is the sun letter, that's why we are using, not pronouncing lam. So directly this ta having the shadda, when there is the sun letter comes after al or after making the pronoun proper noun, so we put the shadda over the sun letter, so it becomes 2 times. At-talmizu al-kitaba, the student will read the book. Now here it is coming yurid at-talmizu an yuqra al-kitab.
The student want to read the book.
So again, because we have to make in the third this third form, so yuqra. So sayaqra al-talmiz al-kitaba. So the student will read the book. Here the yurid al-talmiz an yuqra al-kitab. The student wanted to read the book. Now this is the second. Satashtari al-bintu al-haqiba.
The girl will buy the bag.
So because of the girl, they are using seen. So the girl will buy, bint means girl or daughter, al-haqiba, the bag. So ha is the moon letter, so that's why we are not pronouncing a-haqiba, we are saying al-haqiba. So turid al-bintu tashtari al-haqiba.
The girl wanted to buy the bag.
So tashtari, again ta, because of the girl it is using turid. Again, because now maybe you know very well, say what is going on, so you can make also by yourself this. Again the picture is there. So sayarkabu al-waladu al-jamala.
The boy will ride the camel.
Jamala means camel. Walada, the boy. Sayarkabu, ride or travel. So yurid al-walad an yarkaba al-jamal.
The boy wanted to ride the camel.
So here yarkaba it is coming. So we have to make the in the past tense. So yurid, need or want. Satashrabu at-talmizatu al-asir.
The student will drink the juice.
So same scene coming because of the will. Turid al-talmiza an tashrabu al-asir.
The student wanted to drink the wanted to drink the juice.
So here they are using at-talmiza. At-talmizatu, the female student. So same like this. Turid at-talmizatu. Ta, as you know, this is the sun letter. That's why shadda is there. Talmizatu an tashrabu an tashtarab al-asir. The student wanted to drink the juice. Same. Sayushahid Ahmad al-Mubarra.
Ahmad will watch the match.
So Mubarra we says to the match or to the competition. So that's why Sa yushahidu. So again shahid means watch or see or look. Ahmad is the name. Now how we will make it in past tense? Yurid Ahmad an yushahida al Mubarra.
Ahmad wanted to see or watch the match.
So yurid again Ahmad an to means to. Yushahida, he wanted al Mubarra, the match or the competition. Satazur Layla Jaddaha.
Layla will visit her grandfather.
So sa again coming for the will, or ta again coming for because of the girl, and zawar means to visit or to see. Turid Layla an tazawur jaddaha.
Layla wanted to visit her grandfather.
So jaddaha, her grandfather, because of ha, because of her, because of Layla, we are using ha alif, ha. So now we have complete this page. This is the page number 6. Next page is if ma tasmau bainul qawsain kama fil misal. As if means izafa. It is coming from the izafa, add or increase. Ma tasmau,
What you hear.
ma means what. Tasmau, ta we are using here because of the you. So here it is not the feminine noun, but it is means tasmau means you hear or you listen. Bainal qawsain kama fil misal.
Between the brackets as in the example.
So qawsain means brackets, as we usually see. These are the brackets. Okay, kama means as, fil misal fi in, al misal example. So between the brackets as in the example. So what is the complete this sentence for this? Add or increase what you hear between the brackets as in the example. What is the misal? Misal number this here. First misal is this. First misal is this. An-nasu tahtal khema.
The people are under the tent.
So an-nasu, noon is the sun letter, so that's why we are not saying al-nas. It will be wrong. So only just noon having the shadda. So that's why an-nasu tahat means under, khema means tent. So an-nasu tahtal khema. This is the same thing coming. Now we have to make kana means was, yajlis they were sitting. So how we will make kana nasu yajlisuna tahtul khema.
The people were sitting under the tent.
So because of the proper noun yajlisun before more than two, that's why they are saying the yajlisun for the many people, tahat under, khema tent. So people were sitting under the tent. Now here we are starting al-awladu tahta al-ashjar.
Children are under the tree.
So Aulad means children. We say to our own children also we say aulad, and aulad we say to common children also aulad we say. Tahat under ashjar, there is the plural noun for the shajar. Kana yal'ab. So we have to use these two. Kana means were or was. Yal'ab, they were playing. So kana al-auladu yal'abun tahtul ashjar.
Children were playing under the tree.
So now you understand yalab, because there are more than two. So yalabun, it become yalab, yalabun, tahat, same thing, everything is coming, only yalab instead of yalab we wrote yalabun. Now here ar-rajalu fil murakkab.
Men or people are in the boat.
So ar-rajal we say men or the people, fi in murakkab the boat, the men or people are in the boat. Now kana and yatakallam. Kana, as you know, was. Yatakallam means they were speaking or they were talking. So kana ar-rajal yatakallamuna fil murakkab.
Men were talking in the boat.
So murakkab, just the boat. Yatakallamun, yatakallamuna we are using because of the many people. Rajal means more many people, this you are using, not the rajul. So that's why we are using the rajal. Now here at-talamizu amamul fasal.
Students are in front of the class.
So even you can say this, because we are using al, so means it becomes the proper, we are just indicating the proper students, not the general students. So al means the, so the students are in front of the class. Amam means in front, fasal means class. So kana yusalli. Okay. So kana at-talamiz yusalliyun amamul fasal.
Students were passing through in front of the class.
So yusalli, they are passing, okay, and yusalliyun, so for men, for many, yusalliyun, they are passing through in front of the class. This is not the salli which we offer or pray. It is not that, they are only the pass through. Al-junud khalaf al-taira.
Soldiers are behind the airplane.
See, junud, see, we use for the soldiers, as we have studied in the grade 3, this third book, At-Talamiz. So there is the last chapter or second last chapter, that is junud came there. Khalaf means opposite or behind. Okay, so soldiers are opposite to the airplane or are behind the airplane. Kana or yaqfu means they are stopping or they are standing. Kana al-junud yaquna khalafa at-taira.
Soldiers were standing behind the airplane.
So yaqfun means they were stopping or they were just standing. Khalaf means behind. Taira means airplane. Now the next exercise, aswat. This is the plural noun of the sawt.
Sounds.
So aswat sounds, sawt sound. Sal bayyan kulla kalmatain mutafaqtin fil wazn.
Make connection between all the two words equal in weight, rhyme.
So in weight or rhyme, we says, now what do you mean? Sal means connect, bayyan means between, or kul means all, kalmatain means two kalmas or two words. Okay. Mutfaqitain means which are two words, are muttafiq, means equal, means looks like equal, or their weights or their words or their this rhyme is equal. Fil wazan, this is the rhyme or equal. Make connection between all the two words equal in the weight or the rhyme. So what is? Now we will see it how it is. There are the two tables, alif and ba. So this is the saf.
Sword.
So saf is going zaf. So you saw this is the saf, this is the zaf.
Guest.
So zaf means the guest. Now naim.
Naim means sleeping.
So where to connect it? This is the nama, fall asleep or go to the sleep. Now here akrama or akramu, more
or most generous.
So where is astamara, means continue, go on or persist. It will come here. So kabar.
Elder or bigger.
So kabar, it is opposite the sagar,
Younger or youngest.
So now is the kana.
Was.
So is the saiq.
Driver.
This is the next word, takallum. Takallam.
Speaking, talking.
Conversation.
Conversation, to speak, talk.
So ta'allam.
Suffering from pain, to feel pain.
So takallam, ta'allam, this almost is the same. And istadda. Istadda, where will come? Ashal. Istadda means?
Get ready or be prepared.
And ashal means?
To find easy, to lose the bowl.
Bowl, to lose the bowl. Asal means this some people just have loose motion, so that's we says to lose the bowl. So malabis.
Clothes.
So this is the very near to this makatib.
Offices.
So I have made this, but if there is any doubt, any mistake, you can ask to your teacher, because as beginning I told you, I am not having the very much command on Arabic, but I tried my best. If there is mistake, just try to ignore and write to me also after asking to the teacher. Okay. Iqra kullu kalmatain mutasallatain bisautin masmuin.
Read all the two connected words by loud voice.
So bisauti masmuin means hearable. Masmu means hearable. Saut means voice. So hearable voice. Mutasallatin connected. Kalmatain two words. Kullu all. Iqra read. So now here this our page number 7 has finished. So this is the tabir. Next page, tabir shafhi.
Verbal or oral expression or statement.
So tabir, we says the expression or the statement. Shafhi means oral or verbal. Okay. But when we will write in English, we will write verbal or oral expressions or statements. Tabir musawwir.
Artistic idea or expression.
So tabir means idea or expression, musawwir artistic. Unzur ilal sawari awwalan summa ajab an asla.
First look at the images, then answer the question.
So unzur means look, ili two, asori means images, awwalan first, summa then, ajab answer, an for or about, al as'ala means the questions. So according to the picture, they are giving the questions and you have to answer about them. It is here Mata astaqiza at-talmiz. They are giving here the watch also. So according to that we have to speak or we have to write.
When or what time getting up the student?
Talmiz means student. Astaqiz means get up. Mata means, this is the mata means wet. When. Now we have to answer about this. Yastaqizu at-talmizu sa'atul arba.
The student getting up at 4 o'clock.
So Sarba, 4 o'clock. Yastaqiz, he get up. At-talmiz, the student. Maza yafalu.
What is he doing?
So what he is doing? Annahu yamtad al-jismahu.
He is stretching his body.
So jism means body. Annahu, he. Yamtad means stretch. He is stretching his body. Ili aina yazhabu at-talmiz.
To where the student is going.
So ili means to, aina where, yazhabu he is going, talmiz the student. Yazhabu at-talmizu ilil madrasa.
The student is going to the school.
So yazhabu at-talmiz ili al-madrasa. Ili means to, al-madrasa, the school. Hal tanawul fatura.
Have you taken or eat your breakfast?
So hal tanawul, hal means do or have. Tanawul, you have taken. Faturahu, your breakfast. Say naam or la. Okay. Means, la means no. Here this is the number 5. Aina yadkhulu al-talmiz.
Where entering the student?
So where entering the student? So we have to yadkhul at-talmiz fi saf.
The student entering the class.
So the student entering in the class. Now maza yaqul lahu al-mudarris.
What is saying the teacher to him?
So lahu means to him. Maza means what. He is saying to him, al-mudarris, the teacher. Yaqul al-mudarris lahu la yadkhul fi saf.
The teacher saying to him, don't enter in the class.
So teacher saying to him not to enter in the class. So la means no, yadkhul means no, enter fi saf, in the class. Now same the images are coming. So same as we made. Here we have to make also. Aina talamizu.
Where are the students?
So aina means where, talamizu is student or students. Okay. So we have to here answer at-talamiz fil maqsaf.
The students are in the canteen.
Maqsaf means canteen. So students are in the canteen. Maza yafaluna.
What are they doing?
So yafaluna, there are many. So that's why we are using yafaluna. Hum yakaluna. So
they are eating.
So hum means they. They are eating. An ayyashay yuhib yabhasu at-talmiz.
About what is the thing the student is searching for?
So we are saying here, so about or for what thing searching the student. An means about or for, or ayyashay what thing, yabhasu he is searching, the al-talmiz the student. Limaza huwa hazin.
He is searching the money.
Why he is sad. Limaza, hazin means sad. Okay. This is the hazin came. This is the hazin means said. Huwa means he. Limaza for what or why. Always remember, limaza means why or for what we use is. So what is the answer? So limaza لأنه ينسي نقودا في البيت. Why he is hazin? Because
he forgot the money at home.
So في البيت at home نقودا means cash or money. Yansi means he forget or insa means forget. Yansi he forget. لأن because يبحث التلميذ النقودا.
He is searching the money.
So he is searching the cash or he is searching the money. ماذا اشتري له صديقه.
What buy his friend for him?
So what buying? Friend for him. What buy or what is buying? Friend for him. Ashtari means buy or buying. So asir, juice, wa fatira. And the what is this? Sandwich or the pie. ماذا يقول التلميذ لصديقه.
What he said to his friend.
He said what he said. Just this is the only just common sense. When he offered him the juice and the sandwich, so shukran jazeeran, thank you very much. He said like this only. Now it is the mawaqif musawwira. This
the positions of the images.
So mawqif musawwira, the positions of the images. Okay. So qabilata rajulun faqiran fi shara. Kana ar-rajul yamshi dawna hiza. Talaba minnak an tashtari lahu haza.
You met a man in the road. The man was walking without shoes. He asks, You want to buy shoes for him?
So here it is coming qablata means you met. Okay. Rajulun means man. Faqiran poor man. You met with a poor man in the road or on the road. Kana was. Rajulun man, the man. Yamshi walking. Duna means without. Hiza means shoes. Talaba he wanted or he asked minnak from you. Okay, or to you. An to tashtari to buy. Lahu for him. Hiza means shoes. Okay. So now the question is coming here. Maza tafal.
What you will do.
So here after this author is asking, when you met a person on the road and he is walking without shoes and he asks you a pair of shoes, so what you will do? So there are the two sentences you can write. Ashtari al-huza lil-faqir.
I buy the shoes for the poor.
Or you can say Sashtari, I will buy the shoes for the poor. Or Atihu Naqudan liyashtari hiza.
I give him the money to buy the shoes.
So Sa Atihu Naqudan Sa liyashtari hiza. I'll give him money to buy the shoes. Okay. Or Atihu Naqudan liyashtari hiza. I'll give money. I'll give money him to buy the shoes. Now here next is the this line coming. Next question coming. Nasiya sadiquka naqudahu fil bayti. Yurid sadiquka an yatnawala ba'z al asir min al maqsaf.
Your friend forgot the money at home. Your friend wanted to drink some juice from the canteen.
So nasiya, forgot. Siddiquka, ka is using Siddiq, Siddiquka, your friend. Naqudahu, his cash or his money. Fil bayti, fi in bayti, his home. In his home, yurid, he wanted or he want. Siddiqika, your friend. Unto, yatanawul, want to eat or drink. Baza, some. Baz means some. Asir means juice. Min al maqsaf, min, from. Maqsaf means canteen. So maza tafalu.
What will you do?
So saatihu naqudan litashtari al asir.
I'll give him money to buy the juice.
So saatihu, I'll give naqudan money liyashtari al asir. I'll give money to buy the juice. Here you see they are showing in the pictures. See the poor man without shoes on the road and you are giving the money, and this is the page number 8. Now this is the tasliha,
Entertainment.
so this is the for fun, but many times if you will read it, so you will learn very nice things. Al haram,
The pyramid.
so this is the pyramid. Al haram, iktib al kalmat al matluba fil haram summa al satr.
Write the required words in the pyramid and then add the line.
So iktib, write, kalmat, words, al matluba, required, fi, in, al haram, pyramid, summa, then, ala, at, as satar, the line. So taqulaha indama nas'al.
We say it when we ask the question.
So when we say, see, whenever we ask the question, we uses alif. So here we write the alif. Now this is the second kalmata aksa, naam, opposite of naam. What is the opposite of naam? Naam means yes. This is the lam alif, la means no. Yahmaluhu al junudu fil marka wa huwa min al hadid.
Soldiers carry it in the war and it is from iron.
So huwa and it is min al hadid. Hadid means iron. Marka means war or fight. Junud means soldiers. Yahmalu, they carry. So what will become? There are the 3 letters sin, ya, fa. Safe. We will write here also as well as here. Yajlisu tahtaha nas wa aw yaqumuna fiha.
People sit inside it or stay in it.
So where we sit, where people sit, inside or stay in that, what is that? This is the fa, noon, dal, qaf. This is the fandaq. Fandaq means hotel. Saif means sword. Okay, here I forgot to tell you the meaning of saif. Saif means sword. Fandaq means hotel. Yahmalu al-mariza ila al-mustashfa.
Carry the patient to the hospital.
What is this? Here alif, sin and alif fa. Isaf. Isaf means ambulance. Mustashfa means hospital. Mariz means patient. Yahmalu, it carry or he carries. Tajdahu bad kullu khamsa duruz fil haza kitab.
You find it after every 5 lessons in this book.
So haza kitab, this book. Fi in durus means lessons. Khamsa 5. Kullu all. Bad after. Tajdahu you find. What is that? Alif kha ta ba alif ra. Akhtabar. Akhtabar means test. Now yuhibbuha al-itfal wa yakalunaha.
Children love it and eat it.
What is this? This is the sheen, kaf, waw, lam, alif, ta, ha. Shakolata means no need to tell, everyone knows shakolata what is. Takween al-kalmat al-jadida, complete the new words. Khaz kalmain munasibatain min al-amud wal amud ba, amud alif, amud ba, wa kawwan minha ibaratan jadida. Iktab al-ibarat al-satr. So it will come here, meaning
take two proper words from the column alif and the column ba and shape it or form them into new phrase. Write the phrase at the line.
So now say khuz means take or hold, kalmatain two words, munasbatain proper, min al-amud from the column, amud means column, alif column or column B or column ba, wa kawwan means complete, minha from that, ibara means phrase, jadida new, iktib write, ibarat again the phrases, ala at, satar line. So these are the two amud, this is the kilo, this is the sabil, this is the ibn, this is the istiqbal. So what will become, see this is the kilo, so we have to connect it, what it will become, kilometer. Okay, same like this, ibn we have read sabil, so ibn sabil. Same yom al-qiyamah, so we will yom al-qiyamah. Here we wrote here means yom al-qiyamah, you know, the day of judgment. Jaws al-hind, so jaws al-hind what is, coconut. Ajla al-qiyada, ajla al-qiyada it came, so yom al-qiyamah it came. Okay, so ajla al-qiyada, steering wheel. This is the ghurfa al-istiqbal, where is went this ghurfa istiqbal, reception room. Jaws al-hind, coconut, yom al-qiyamah, day of justice. Ibn sabil, very much poor or on the road or helpless. So kilometer, you know. Now here we have finished our third part, and hopefully if you will read that nicely you will learn. If I have made mistake, that is not intentionally, and just if you find any mistake you can write me also. I will try to correct in other lessons.